Hey guys, Tim from Frontline again. Now we're going to go through putting the spare wheel on a Volkswagen Transporter. This one's got the alloy wheels. We're going to go through and give you a full rundown. Obviously everything I show you, that's how I do it. Your first protocol is definitely check out the Volkswagen operations manual on how to do that. All the spare wheel changing things start at page 350. Go from there and then use this as a guide. First of all, we're going to need our jack. A jack in our toolkit is all in one piece. Really handy kit with everything you need. We're also going to need our Allen key. Now this is provided with your Frontline alloy wheels. So that comes off like so. Okay, we'll need the handle folded out like so. And we'll just get that started. Now the jack's position, as per the manual, is just under here. We're going to wind that jack. Actually has to go quite a long way up. Okay, so we'll wind that up till we get to our desired height. Okay, and lock that in. Now we're just going to take the load off it like that, just so there's a little bit of weight on the jack. Now with our Allen key, we can remove the cap here, so we can access the wheel bolts. Before we jack the vehicle up, let's go on and loosen the wheel bolts. Okay, now they're loosened. They're still tight, it's still safe, we're still okay, but they've just been cracked off. Now we're going to come around to the rear of the vehicle and we're going to release the spare wheel. In order to do this, there's two bolts under here. The first one has to come out all the way, and the second one just needs to be loosened. You can actually use this handle to help us lever the spare wheel carrier. So that will lift it over, across and down. We can remove that handle so we can access the spare wheel. And with this, I like to put it under the vehicle just as an added safety precaution. It's always got something there in case the jack were to fail. We'll continue jacking the vehicle all the way up so the wheel is off the ground. Which is about there. We've kept a wheel underneath the vehicle just as a backup. We can now just remove our wheel bolts. So these are bolts rather than nuts that you might be familiar with, but it's the same principle. Okay, now we have those removed, we can just lift the wheel away. Now we'll grab our spare. Now it's worth noting, yes, it's a steel wheel, it looks different, but it's not a space saver, it's not a temporary wheel. You can still drive on this in the same manner you would your original. So, you can just start them all by hand, like so. Okay, now we can give them just a little tighten up with this now, and we'll give it the final tighten once the vehicle's back down on the ground. Okay, lower the vehicle back down. So anti-clockwise. We can wind that down and pack that away, and we can give our wheel bolts that final tighten. And if you feel you need to, you can stand on the bar, but just make sure you're nice and safe and stable. That's it, we're all sorted. Thanks for watching.